So good morning from the Magic Kingdom. We just got here. Park opened at 8, where it's 9:20. Weather's a little crappy, but there's obviously the mask and be worn at all times. But bus was really fast. We got there. There was a bus there, but it was full. They sent another one, was there in 5 minutes, and quick. It's spring break crowd, so it's going to be crazy. It's a little, it's misty, it's raining, colder than we expected, but we're here, so we'll see. We usually are rope drop people, so we never see these crowds. But we're also never here during spring break. But it's a pretty busy day. Train station is under refurbishment, so they have the nice tent with the picture of it. And I don't know if you can see the mist, the little misty rain, so not enough for us to wear a poncho. There we go. And they got the Dapper Dance.
Maryland, you know, like on Susan's Grove.
And we're gonna head straight to Mine Train. The line isn't too bad right now, but we expect it to get long, so that's what we're gonna go now. You see here they've removed the sign about Tinkerbell and Mickey Mouse, so it's kind of sad. There's the castle.
There's the castle, buddy.
So this is where the end of the line is for Mine Train right now.
Hi ho, hi ho, hi ho. Hi ho, hi ho, hi ho. Hi, buddy.
So we're in line now at Winnie the Pooh, and it looks to be about a 20-minute wait. So we'll see how long it is. I gotta check my app. Let's see the wait here. But you know, with everybody's social distance, it's hard to tell. But it's going to be a busy day. So the wait for Winnie the Pooh was about 12-15 minutes. Not bad at all. We're about to get there. So here we go. Let's see. And the line was like past that umbrella, if you can see it. But it really wasn't bad. It wasn't a bad. Now the line for Mine Train is already up to an hour.
Ask me, he'll never reach that.
The wait for Pooh wasn't too bad. The mist has kind of gone away a little bit, which is nice. So hopefully there'll be a little bit more sun, and just as long as it's dry. Hopefully the weather's going to get up to 70. It's 61 right now, I think is what it said. But hopefully the weather, but it's supposed to be cloudy all day. But the crowds have really, really picked up. So we're in line for Under the Sea, and the line ends at the grotto. So touring plan says this is a 4-minute wait. It's posted as 15. I think it's somewhere in between, to be honest. It's definitely not 4 minutes. It's probably closer to 15. So to give you an idea of the crowds, this is Gaston's, and you can see the line. It's pretty far. So our wait for Little Mermaid was just a 15 minutes, so actually MDE was right on this one and Touring Plans was wrong because it said 4 minutes, which it was not. But it wasn't a bad wait. And I don't know where we're gonna go next. It's pretty crowded. And this is still the line to Gaston's. It's that end of the line right there is at the entrance to Be Our Guest. And if you don't know, Enchanted Tales with Belle is still closed. Oh, and they have the carriage here today. So if you can believe it, I'm trying to find the end of the line for Haunted Mansion. And there's the Diamond Horseshoe. They said the back of the line is by Country Bear Jamboree. So yeah, I would say it's a little parked, but fortunately it does move pretty fast. So we're just trying to find the end of the line. There's a Liberty Bell in action. So if you can even though the line was, it's 11:12 now, even though the line looked to be really long because it was all the way back by Country Bear Jamboree, it wasn't that bad. It was actually maybe a 15-minute wait at that. So it wasn't too bad, it just never stopped moving. And we got to go to a lot of places that we never went before. So for It's a Small World, the line isn't too bad. It's like right over here, right by next to the Rapunzel bathroom. So we're gonna get in line and take turns going to the bathroom. But at least it's not as far as the distance as Haunted Mansion. So as you can see, they're still not filling the boats to capacity. They're still leaving the rows in between. So that's obviously making the line longer. But it's moving pretty fast. Not as fast as a Haunted Mansion though. We are in a red or a pink boat.
Red is pinkish. We're getting a blue one.
Correction, we're getting a blue one. Okay, correction again, we are in a pink boat. So the first two were skipped us for handicapped passengers, but we got on this one. And we're finally off. This is the end of the line for Pirates, so it's where the old Pirates Adventure is. It's about a 45-minute wait right now. So one of my suggestions was always to do your mobile order before. I highly suggest that again. We did it about an hour and a half ago, and time was actually estimated was good. I went to see if we could get it earlier, and we couldn't. And actually, the next closest time was 45 minutes away. So make sure you do your mobile order early, because otherwise, if you wait to when you're hungry, you may have to wait even more. So here we are for lunch. We got the triple tacos. Ryder got a cheeseburger.
Okay.
There's my gluten-free Southwest chicken salad and lots of water. So we just got off with Pirates, and the lines are pretty long. So I think we're gonna head over to Sawyer Island, which we haven't done. Looks like it's open, so we haven't done that in years. Ryder's never done it. The treehouse is closed. Looks like they were looking to refurbishment or something, but so I think we're gonna head to Sawyer Island and hopefully get a ride on Big Thunder later on. So it's 1 o'clock now, and the current wait time for Pirates is 70 minutes. So it's pretty crowded. It's bringing great crowds. So if you're trying to avoid crowds, avoid Disney right now. And the end of the line for Splash Mountain is right over here, and you can see it's 15 minutes. So even though it's so far out, it's not too bad, but it's still longer than it was when we came in December. And the end to Big Thunder is over here by the raft, and it is a 40-minute wait. And we're gonna head over now to Sawyer Island, which, God, I can't even remember the last time I was here. So unfortunately, we waited 25 minutes to get on a raft, and then one of the rafts broke, so they shut it down. So we didn't get to go to Sawyer Island. Hopefully it'll come back up and we'll be able to go, but now we're gonna go wait for Big Thunder. So we wasted 25 minutes. We asked if they could give us a fast pass or something to come back, and they said they couldn't. So basically, just, you're out of luck. So one of the things that's changed with Big Thunder since we were here in December is they're actually filling up the entire car. So you can see here, they're filling in all the rows.
You ready?
You like it? Fun? So case in point as to why you need the Turning Plans app. Big Thunder had a 75-minute wait, and we waited 10. So, like, it was so much, and actually, Turning Plan said 21 minutes, but it was so much more accurate. It was posted 75 minutes, so we're gonna get on, we're taking a little bathroom break, and then we're gonna get on Splash Mountain, which is posted as 45-minute point. So we'll see how that goes.
I didn't get that wet.
So we rode Splash Mountain, and I think we're headed to Tomorrowland because it doesn't look like Sawyer Island is open again. So I think we're just gonna head to Tomorrowland. So Sawyer Island is yet to be discovered by us because we didn't make it. But oh well, maybe next time. It's Chip and Dale. Say hi. So we're now waiting for carousel progress. No wait on here, which is great. It'll give us a chance to kind of relax a little bit, and then we're gonna go and ride Buzz Lightyear. And there it goes, runs around.
The same kind of exciting. There's a great big beautiful tomorrow. Coming out the another day. There's a great big beautiful tomorrow. Tomorrow is a tomorrow.
Good. What are we getting, right, honey?
We are getting a hot fudge brownie sundae with chocolate ice cream, not vanilla.
Yes.
At the request of this little one.
There we go. Here it is.
There it is.
Oh, wow.
Does that
Look, it looks like
Mickey
a
Mouse?
Mickey Mouse.
Does that look like Mickey Mouse?
Yeah.
Ryder went straight for the brownie, huh? You went straight for the brownie. Is that good? I thought you wanted ice cream. I want the brownie first.
I know you like brownie. No hurry.
Is it good? Around. I don't know if you can see over there. That's Buzz Lightyear doing some socially distant meet and greets. So now we're about to ride Astro Orbiter. I'm terrified of it, and Ryder wants to ride with me. So here we go.
De seguridad ajustado y mantenga sus manos, brazos,
Hi, honey. Here we go.
I'm lonely.
Whoa! Are you Ryder? You love the view, Ryder? You love the view? There we go. There's Tron. There we go. And there you can see Tron, the canopy. Looks like it's almost done. So obviously it's not going to be here for the 50th, but it's a gorgeous day. It's a little windy now, but finally the clouds cleared up. So it's been, and honestly the crowds haven't been too bad. The rides have definitely been manageable. It is definitely packed. You can tell it's capacity, but it's still great. So we're going to try again and get on Sawyer Island. We actually have been waiting for like 15 minutes and it's not too bad. And we are on the next raft. So hopefully it doesn't break down this time. So here we're going to board the raft. And because of social distancing, we have to go on a circle. So we're going to go. Let's go. You want to go on this circle, Ryder? And there's only 3 circles. So they don't fit many people unless it's large groups. Now we made it to the other side. Hi, whoops. There we go. There's Mickey, Minnie, Pluto, Daisy, Donald. So we made it onto the island. Ryder's leading the way. And of course he went straight for the stairs. Youth. Oh, you really get some beautiful views up here. We're in the mine and we found the jewels.
We found it.
We found all the treasure.
We found the treasure.
But we can't take it.
No, we can't take it.
You're the wind.
Another tunnel.
Whoa, see? A bridge. Whoa, we're exploring.
There's Haunted Mansion. Got Big Thunder. Look, Ryder, it's a fort. Fort Langhorne. Let's go. I don't know. Let's go look. Let's go explore. Hi, chickies. You got a horse? A couple horses. Did you like the guy sleeping?
Yeah.
What'd you tell me about him? He's just an animatronic. This is the escape tunnel. Watch your step. We escaped. Oh, we're on the other side of the island. What'd you say?
We gotta find another tunnel.
Another tunnel? Okay, let's do it. There you got the Haunted Mansion over there. And my hubby being a pain in the ass. And teaching my son bad things.
I want to go across it.
Wanna go across the bridge?
You did it.
Working windmill. Okay, Ryder, you ready to go back to the mainland?
Yeah.
Okay, don't run. So we finished up at Sawyer Island, and now we're going to do one more ride, and that's going to be Big Thunder Mountain, and then we're calling it a day. Bye!
I'm on a boat. I'm on a boat.
Please don't. So we are back at our resort. We actually went to Grand Floridian because I had read that there was a Easter egg display. Well, it was one egg, like one chocolate egg, and a chocolate castle, which was really pretty, but not worth the trip. So we ended up taking a lift back, but we did get to take a monorail and go through the under construction Polynesian, which was kind of creepy, but it was fun. But all in all, it was a great day at Magic Kingdom. You know, given that it's spring break, we normally would never come during spring break, and we knew the parks were sold out. It was manageable. There wasn't a line that was in reality over an hour. They were posted, I think there was the longest one I saw was 75 minutes. So they were posted over an hour, but there was nothing that was actually over an hour. The posted wait time was 75 minutes when we got in line for Big Thunder. It took 10. So it was really, I think you got to get the Touring Plans app. Touring Plans app is definitely more accurate. The longest time we spent on anything was probably going to Tom Sawyer Island because we waited for 25 minutes to get on the raft. We were the next people on the raft, and the raft broke. So they closed the island. And we went back, and then we had to wait another 20 minutes to get on the raft. But it was fun. Like, I hadn't been to Tom Sawyer Island in 30 plus years, and my son loved it. He loved the caves, the tavern, the mines. It was just a lot of fun. Really, some really great pictures there, some really great picture spots with Big Thunder in the background and Liberty Bell in the background. So it was just a lot of fun. We didn't see too many cavalcades. Every time we were over by Frontierland or on the island is when the cavalcades came through. When we were actually walking through, they didn't come through, but we've seen them, and it was still fun to see them even from afar. But it was a great day. So even with this, I think next week is supposed to be, so the week of Easter, which is probably when this is going to air, go on YouTube. Still go. I mean, if you're concerned, it's manageable. It's definitely more crowded than it was in December, but it's definitely more manageable. I think they're at 40% right now, but it's still great. And it's just great to be at Magic Kingdom. So with that, if you like this video, click like, click and subscribe. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Tomorrow we are going to Hollywood Studios. So I have the great task of trying to get a Rise of the Resistance boarding pass at 7 a.m. I don't know if we're going to, we'll try, but we didn't have great luck last time. So if it doesn't happen, it doesn't happen. We've ridden it before. We want to try for sure, but it's not going to make or break our trip. So thanks everyone. Bye.